ready with me, although I'm not going anywhere. But today we're gonna be doing like a black cherry makeup tutorial for Christmas. So enjoy this video. I haven't posted any videos for a very long time because I was so busy with my studies, all my final exams. Oh, guess what, guys? I'm finally on Christmas break! Yay! They will not go back to classes until the end of January. So now I'm gonna have the higher chance of posting videos more often because the more videos, then the more I will boost up my audience. This is very exciting and I cannot wait to make more YouTube videos as now I'm at school. I'm out of school, excuse me. But yes, I am so excited because I haven't posted anything on social media since December the 12th. That's the last time. And I said, oh, either the 19th or the 20th, I can get back to posting on social media once I'm done with my finals. Oh, update for all of these regarding to my new song. It's about the darkness of magic. So instead, I'll give you guys until like December the 30th or the 31st to figure out what song title you want me to name it. I'm gonna give you guys until December the 23rd, that's this Tuesday coming up, to decide what song titles you want me to name it. Several people just commented saying that, oh, you should name your song called Dark Romance. I'll figure about that. But none of these people said, oh, you can name your song called Sparkling in the Darkness but Dark Romance instead. Also, I wanted to tell you guys an update regarding to my vlog situation. So I will no longer post vlogs until the summer of 2026 due to that I just wanted to take some time off to reflect on my situation, my social life, the ones that have been suffering since 2023. I was thinking negatively about not being able to hang out with my friends, but only seeing my friends in school but not outside of school. And it's very stressful. I've been crying so much and overthinking too much, thinking that, oh, when am I gonna spend time with my friends outside school? This is no excuse of not being able to hang out with my friends, especially in the summertime. I've been suffering for that for 2 years, and like, how am I gonna get this resolved? How am I gonna get that fixed? So yeah, I'm gonna have to take 6 months off from posting vlogs until this situation is solved. Like, we find solutions to this situation that I've been suffering for 2 years. I'm not even joking. This is going to happen for 2026. So starting in January the 1st until July the 1st, I'll be taking 6 months off of posting vlogs until I could get the situation resolved and no longer thinking negatively about spending more time with my friends, because I've been thinking about this since I was like 17, but before turning 18 in May. I've been suffering with the situation for since March the 12th. I don't know why, but that shit is crazy. Like, I didn't want to not to only hang out with my friends at school, but I want to have more opportunities to hang out with my friends more, because the more I spend time with my friends, the more I have the higher chances of improving my social life. And not only my social life, but I have the higher chances of spending more time with my friends and have more social life. And of course, more social skills. I'm telling you right now, this is not even funny. That shit is crazy. My dad is giving me so much fucking stress that I wanted to spend more time with my friends, but I didn't have the higher opportunities nor higher chances to do more social life, more hanging out with my friends, activities like outdoor activities. This is absolutely bullshit. I don't like when I've been like this for my friends. The situation of hanging out, especially my social life. That shit is crazy, bro. That shit is crazy. But it's okay. So just wait till 2026 hits. It's gonna reflect on that situation, so I don't be like that anymore, thinking negatively, repeating the shit over and over. Because I'm gonna be 21 in May and I don't wanna be like that just because I'm gonna be a fully adult. Why is the makeup so fucking slate? I love this color. Oh my god. I never wore black cherry eyeshadow before. Never done that. Except I did it once or a few times, but fully black cherry, I'd never done that. Now we're on to mascara. Fake eyelashes, of course. Now onto lipstick, and we're gonna use black cherry because I wanted to match the eyeshadow color. I cannot wait to show it to you all. Alright, the makeup's done, especially my hair. So I hope you guys like it. This is perfect for Christmas, the black cherry look. Alright guys, so love you all chickies. Bye!